For the creators, for the reviewers,
and the vloggers.
Every best vlogging camera list still puts the Sony ZV-E10 near the top. I wanted to see if it still earned that spot. This is the Sony ZV-E10, a compact APS-C mirrorless camera built from the ground up for one job: making vlogging easier than it's ever been. At just over 300 grams, it's genuinely pocketable. Sony stripped out the electronic viewfinder entirely, a deliberate choice since vloggers are almost always shooting from the flip screen anyway, not holding it up to their eye. The screen flips all the way around so you can actually see your framing while talking to camera. And the built-in 3-capsule microphone is genuinely one of the better internal mics you'll find on any camera at this price. It prioritizes your voice even in noisy environments.
experience the speed, featuring a 425-point autofocus, and it has product showcase mode.
It shoots clean 4K at up to 30 frames per second and full HD up to 120 for slow motion. But whip the camera around fast and you'll see rolling shutter. Vertical lines skew noticeably. Keep your movements slow and it's a non-issue. One small annoyance. The menu system isn't touch-enabled, so you're clicking through it with the D-pad. It's a minor inconsistency on a camera this focused on ease of use, but it's not a deal-breaker. This camera makes the most sense for someone starting a YouTube channel, a product review page, or a travel vlog. Anyone who needs their face and their voice to come through clearly without a steep learning curve. It's not trying to be an all-purpose camera, and that's exactly the point. If you're making video content and want something small, affordable, and built specifically for that job, the ZV-E10 still delivers. Link to the exact one I used is below.